Hello friends, in this video we will discuss a numerical that is based on rhesus factor. So, can a Rh positive, Rh negative couple have Rh negative child? We know that this Rh factor is controlled by R gene, and this R gene have two variants, that is capital R and small r. This capital R is dominant allele and this is recessive allele. So, a person with genotype capital R and also with capital R small r is always will be with Rh positive factor, and a person which have both the recessive allele will always be or will always have Rh negative factor. So, can a person with Rh positive factor, so here when a person is with Rh positive factor, it may have two type of genotype, that is capital R, or it may have capital R small r. You can say that it can be homozygous dominant or it can be heterozygous dominant. But a person with Rh negative factor will always have genotype that is capital R, small r, that is homozygous recessive. So here in this genotype there is only one possibility. It will always, so here when we talk about Rh negative person, it will have one genotype, always have one genotype, that is small r. But when we talk about Rh positive factor, a person with Rh positive factor, it will have two type of genotype. Now we will cross this with Rh negative, and also we will cross this Rh negative, because in that case there are two possibility, one is this, another is this, but in that Rh negative case there is only one possibility, that is small r. So from this cross we will get capital R, capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r. So here we can see that all of the children are with Rh positive factor, but all are heterozygous dominant. But when we cross this heterozygous dominant with homozygous recessive, if the genotype of this couple is this person have genotype is capital R, and this wife, we know that if it is negative it will always have small r genotype, then all the children will be with Rh factor. But by chance if this person have genotype capital R small r, then what will be the outcome of cross, that is capital R small r, capital R small r, small r, small r. Here in that case, if this Rh positive person is with heterozygous dominant genotype, then 2 will be with Rh positive factor and 2 will be with Rh negative factor. So here, if this is the genotype, then 50% will be with Rh positive and 50% will be with Rh negative. So our question was, can Rh positive, Rh negative couple have Rh negative child? Yes, they can have, but they can have only if this person with Rh positive factor is with genotype this is heterozygous dominant. So here, out of 8 children, there is possibilities of 2. Out of 8, 2 children will be with Rh negative rhesus factor. So if a couple have Rh positive, Rh negative rhesus factor, then they can have, there is the chance that they can have Rh negative child, but they can only have Rh negative child if we know that this Rh negative, this person always have small r genotype. But if this is heterozygous dominant, that is that means it have capital R small r genotype, then there is chance of having Rh negative child.